everyone, I'm Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I help people prepare for a move abroad and also adjust once you are there. So in this video, I am going to share some tips and ideas you want to address to check if moving abroad is for you. So I'm going to share 3 questions and let's get to it. Deciding to move abroad is a major life event. It's a huge investment. It's an emotional investment, financial investment, energetic, you name it. It's a huge deal in most cases. And it's really important to address if moving abroad is the right thing for you or if it's the right thing for you at that moment. If you are in a family situation or you have a partner, it might be also, and I think it's important to also address if it's the right moment for the whole family unit. So here are some ideas to really think about when you are addressing this question, you are trying to answer this question. So the first thing is to really address and to clarify, what would you be moving for? What do you want to accomplish with the move? Many times people are unhappy in their home country for whatever reason, and they want to flee. They want to run away. And while that's totally understandable in most circumstances, it's really important to look into what does this move, what are the goals that you have with this move? How is your life going to be different? And if you're answering this question like, I'm going to be away from fill in the blanks, that might not be good enough an answer to really justify, because the fact of the matter is, once you do move, all the things you left behind are behind you. And if you don't know clearly what you're moving for, you can really fall into a vacuum of like, what the hell am I doing here? So it's really important to address this question. What are you moving for? What would you want to move for? What are your goals? What are you trying? What do you want to accomplish? It's really important to answer these questions on an individual basis and also collectively if you are part of a family unit. The second thing that is really important to address is, how does this move align with your long-term life goals? So let's say that one of your long-term life goals is to be present with your extended family, maybe your parents or other extended family. Well, maybe moving abroad will go against that. Doesn't mean that it's an immediate no. It just means that maybe your goals need to be revised, or you need to accommodate for that situation. And why is this important? Well, because it's better to think about this before rather than later. And ultimately, a move abroad, as we've established, is a huge investment that you really want to make sure that it's aligned with what you want out of life in general. And lastly, one important aspect is, how do you imagine your life? When you visualize living in another country, what do you see? How do you feel? And if your image, if what you envision is just the negative, the opposite of what you're living right now, you might not be going for the right reasons. This is an interesting exercise to do, is like really envision. And if you find yourself articulating that what you want in the new country, how you see yourself in the new country is the opposite of what you're living now, that might be something you want to readdress. So in a nutshell, these are the 3 important aspects that really take into account and that will help you decide if moving abroad is for you. I also have another video called Should I Stay or Should I Go, which I will link above, and it has a very practical tool called the pro con con list that can help you narrow down and help you further in this decision making process. If this is something that resonates with you, if this you found this useful and you would like to take it to the next level, I invite you to check out my International Relocation Starter course. It is a free mini course where you will get 4 lessons where we talk about these things and more. It comes with downloads and exercises. So the link to get the free course is in the description box. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear your comments, and let me know if there's anything specific you would like for me to address in these videos. I will see you next time.